Hello everyone, so you're still looking for a remote job, work from home job, something you can do from the comfort of your home, from any location. We're going to look at 6 websites that can help you to do that. So today, the first website we're going to look at is called Survey Time. So, and how it works is that Survey Time allows you to complete simple tasks, surveys, and it pays $1 per survey. But how it works is that you would be sent a notification each time a survey comes up, and you need to note that it pays and it is based on first come first serve. So you don't expect a survey that was sent to you in the morning to still be there till evening. No. So you need to complete the task as soon as you're being sent a notification. So that is why it is good as you're signing up, you make sure that you enable email notification and even pop-up notification. So if you're on your computer, for instance, you will enable pop-up notification or browser notifications, so that whenever a survey becomes available, you will see it pop up on your computer. So it pays $1 per survey, and again, there's what they call strict rules. So each day you sign up, you would get something, right? You get this streak. It updates on a daily basis. So whenever you sign in, rather, you will get it's called atoms. So these atoms can be used, can be converted into money. For instance, if you complete a survey and you fail that survey, the atoms will convert one of the atoms into money for you for a failed survey. Okay, so the payout, they pay out, or you're being paid through PayPal or Amazon gift cards or Payoneer. So you can get these 3 or any of these 3 payment type: PayPal, Payoneer, or Amazon gift card. So for me, I use PayPal. Again, I've always talked about getting a PayPal account. If you're in Nigeria or other parts of Africa, try to get PayPal, because most of these online jobs you see pay you via PayPal. You can't do without PayPal. Then the second one we are going to look at. So for Survey Time, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Go use it, sign up, and start earning. Then the second one we're going to look at is called Study Pool. So Study Pool is where people come to ask questions. So you earn money by answering questions. You earn money by answering study questions. You can earn up to $7,500 per month working from tutoring students. So you're going to teach students, okay? But it's going to be according to your own time, according to your own hours, and they have so many subjects that they teach students here, ranging from accounting, algebra, business and finance, chemistry, computer science, health and medical, law, management, mathematics, programming, psychology, science, statistics, writing. So if you have experience, it's a tutor, you can come sign up here. And the popular tutors that are on this website are people from Canada, Indonesia, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa, United States, Zambia, India, Malaysia, Nigeria, Philippines, Ukraine, and Vietnam. So don't tell me that I'm a Nigerian and I can't earn money online. No way. You can earn if you're a qualified or experienced tutor. Go and sign up on Study Pool. Okay, So they have so many students. You can see about people that have earned so far. The highest earners, 97,000 US dollars, 95 US dollars, 95,000, 83,000, 82,000, 77,000 US dollars. People have earned from this website. Okay, so if you are an experienced tutor and you can tutor in this subject that I've mentioned before, go and sign up. If you're from South Africa, Nigeria, go and sign up, and other parts of the world. Sign up, become a tutor here, and start making your money. Again, you can also sell documents. If you have documents to sell, you can sell the document here for money. Okay, if you have study documents, study materials, you can sell them for money. The third one we're going to look at is called JustAnswer. So basically, JustAnswer works almost like the tutor that the study pool, because you make money doing what you love. All right, you make money, leveraging your professional expertise to answer people's questions, and you earn cash. So you work from anywhere, anytime, online, and you work as much as you want and as less as you want. So you can join them if you're an expert if you're a lawyer. Says they're looking for people from divorce lawyers and dog vets to Maytag techs and Mercedes mechanics. If you have experience in all this, just come on board, sign up, select your area of specialty. They have appraisals, boats, cars, heavy equipment, computer, internet, electronics, tax, general, home improvement, legal, medical, veterinary. So if you have expertise in this walk of life, come sign up here at JustAnswer and start making your money. The third one we're going to look at is called Wisant. So this Wisant, what it does is that, it says they're the nation's largest network for AutoCAD tutors. It's also like the two other ones I shared. You also sign up if you're experienced teacher in algebra, calculus, chemistry, fitness, music, history, Oracle, physics, and lots more. Come sign up and make money, because so when you sign up, what the student do is they choose their tutor and then share their goals with you, and they book a lesson with you. So you're just like a freelancer. You're working for yourself at your own time. Okay, so if you're interested, come and sign up and start making money. Then another one is Userlytics. This particular one is about surveys. Also, you get to be sent invitation whenever there's available surveys to your email, and it's also based on first come first serve. So you come, complete your survey, and make money. You get paid very high. Sometimes it pays up to $50 per survey. So it's like a research. It's like a research questions that you get to answer. So for this one, they also pay via PayPal. Via PayPal. So if you're interested, come and sign up to Userlytics. Start answering survey questions. This one will be sent to your email. So you need to watch out. You need to make sure that you have your notifications, your pop-up notifications on, even if you're on mobile phone. So another thing that is interesting about these websites that I'm talking about today is that they also have mobile apps. So even if you don't have a computer, you can work on your phone. You can get the mobile apps and use them. Okay, so the last one we're going to look at is called Clickworker. So click worker, here you can find the right job for yourself as long as you have a very strong internet connection and you're working in a good environment. So you come to this place and sign up to work for them. But they're hiring from a few countries. They're not really hiring from all places. So when you come here, you click on this place, you see the type of jobs available and the requirement that you need to fulfill before you become before you start working for them. So let's check. So they choose from the pool of available projects which task you want to take on. The task available may vary from click worker to click worker based on qualification assessment. So the advantage here is that it can be done separately. They refer to these as micro jobs. This offers maximum flexibility to you. Each worker decides when, where, and how much he or she works. So anyone can become a click worker. It says anyone who can read these websites through the use of a regular web browser has fulfilled the technical requirements. In addition, you must be allowed to work in the jurisdiction of your residence. Simply start even without formal qualifications. So it's not complicated even for a newbie. Initiation and training are sure that you attain the necessary competencies. So it's very easy to sign up and start working, doing micro tasks for click worker. If you're interested, I'm going to leave all the links, or I'm going to leave the names on the website, on the description box. So you go check them out. Use search the names on Google. I might also leave the links to them. So sign up and start making money from anywhere you are. You must not be waiting for a transcription job to come. Okay, try and do something for yourself. Help yourself. So don't wait for a transcription job. Do this one. Start with this ones. If you have expertise, something you have to offer to people, like tutoring, even, sign up and use your expertise and start making money for yourself. You paid to get this certificate, you paid to get these degrees. Why not use it to make money? Okay, so I think we're going to end this video here. Go and sign up and start making your money ASAP. Thank you everyone that has watched to this moment. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Even if you don't want it, even if you're not looking for a job, share it to people that might be interested. There are people out there looking for jobs. Share it to them and they will thank you. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video.